Hi everyone, my name is Rosie and today I'm going to teach you how you can make an amazing sunburn remedy. This is really basic and really simple ingredients. We will be using certified organic shea butter, 3 leaves of aloe vera, they're fresh, and we're going to do 2 drops of spearmint essential oil, and we're going to have 100 ml of calendula and chamomile oil. This is being infusing for maybe 8 months now, so it's really powerful and really effective. We also need 1 glass jar and the blender. Okay, so what you're going to do now is take the aloe vera leaves and cut them in half, and then try to take out as much gel as you can from the leaves. After you manage taking out all the gel of the leaves, put the gel in the blender. Okay. Now we're going to add our calendula and chamomile. I love this oil. It's so good for your skin. After that, we're going to also add the shea butter, but the shea butter I'm gonna cut it in little pieces so it's easier to blend. It smells amazing, by the way. Oh, love it. Okay, this should be it. So what we're going to do now is it's just going to blend, and then we're going to add this spearmint essential oil. Wow, oh, the smell, incredible. It seems like it's ready. Now we're going to put the final ingredient, which is spearmint essential oil. Like, this will add that extra cooling effect. So we're gonna put, as I said before, 2 to 3 drops. One, 2, 3. That's it. And then we're gonna blend again for a few seconds. The balm, oh, it's ready. Okay. Put this in the fridge for 45 minutes and then we'll be ready to use. The best thing you can do is get in the shower for 10 minutes in a really cold shower. Get out of the shower and then apply the balm. If you can keep this in the fridge, it will be better because that will also help with the cooling effect. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please share. If you have any questions, please comment below and like. See you next time.